Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your LinkedIn account in 2026. If you no longer need your LinkedIn account, you can permanently close it in just a few steps. Before you begin, remember that deleting your account will remove your profile, connections, messages, endorsements, and other LinkedIn data. If you may need this information later, consider downloading your account data first. Start by signing in to your LinkedIn account. Click your profile picture in the top right corner and select *settings and privacy ***. In the left-hand menu, click *** account preferences ***. Scroll down until you find the *** account management *** section. Click close account ***. LinkedIn will ask why you're leaving, so choose the reason that best matches your situation or select other * if none of the options apply. Click Next **, then enter your LinkedIn account password to confirm your identity. Carefully review the information on the screen, as this process is permanent once completed. If you're sure you want to continue, click ** close account * or done *. Your LinkedIn account will now be scheduled for deletion. During LinkedIn's reactivation period, you may still be able to restore your account by signing in again. However, once that period ends, your account and most of your data will be permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. That's it. You've successfully learned how to delete your LinkedIn account in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more LinkedIn guides, and thanks for watching.